Hey guys, welcome to another video. So today we are going to do a little feature on a trail that I've been wanting to do for a little while. It's actually called Copper Creek. I saw one video on YouTube from like 8 years ago from it. So I don't know if it's any rougher since then, but I guess we'll find out. So let's do it. All right, there you have it. That is Copper Creek Road. And as you can see, it's fairly easy in some places, nice and smooth, little rocky bits. And then right there at the end, it gets a little washed out. So if you got some nice flex in your suspension, then it should be pretty fun. I wish I had my locker still because I was spinning a little bit, but I'm trying to acquaint myself with the Nissan ABLS system a little bit better. It requires gentle throttle to help get up obstacles and stuff. Thanks for joining me on this one. It might be a little bit of a short one, but it's a nice trail, not too crazy. Pretty nice back in there actually. It was if you're looking for a place to shelter from the wind and camp, there were a lot of nice spots along the right-hand side there that you could do that. So I'm gonna go ahead and head up Copper Basin Road here and continue my trip. And I want to thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.